Good evening, Mom. Welcome to June's Bar. Do you have any reservation?
No, I don't have.
Message is a table for you, Mom.
Yes, please.
This way, please. This table will face the factory.
Okay.
For our Mom, I will get the wine list for you. Excuse me, Mom. May I present the wine list for your selection?
Thank you.
May I lay the table napkin on your lap?
Yes, please.
May I take your order, Mom?
I would like to have a glass of wine. Could you suggest a wine for me?
Yes, Mom. We have a different wine available here. I will suggest for you our B7 wine. Good wine. It is made in Brazil other than grape. It's very good wine to order, Mom.
Okay, I'd like to order that wine, please.
Then, okay, Mom. I would like to repeat your order. Your order is fruit wine. Did I get the order right, Mom?
Yes, you did.
Please excuse me. I will prepare your order. Excuse me, Mom. Here is your order. Made in places other than grapes. May I go ahead and open the bottle for you, Mom?
Okay.
Here is the part for your evaluation. May I for an amount of your evaluation? Here is your wine for your evaluation. May I pour some more wine for you, Mom?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your wine, Mom.
Okay, can you please prepare my meal?
Excuse me, Mom. Here is your bill. The total amount is 500. But if you were not asking, how did you find your service?
The service was excellent.
Thank you, Mom. I am glad that you are very satisfied with our service. By the way, I collect 1,000 for a moment. We'll prepare your change. Excuse me, Mom. Here is your change.
Thank you.
Thank you, then, Tomas, for where you visit my GS bar.